Okay, this is number 7 on page 559, and we're supposed to find the values of the 6 trig functions for this angle theta in standard position whose terminal side passes through this given point. So the point 3,1 would be over about 3 and up 1, so it may be somewhere like up in here in quadrant 1, which is the positive quadrant. So my terminal side of my angle goes through that point. So what I do is build the little right triangle down from that point with theta, the angle that I'm measuring, in that little wedge between the terminal side of the angle and the x-axis. So, and then I know that I can fill this in, that I went over 3 on x and up by 1 on y. And so to find what that hypotenuse is, I can use the Pythagorean theorem, equals r squared. So 1 plus 9 is r squared, so r squared is 10, so r is the positive square root of 10. So that's what that radius is. So then we remember that on this, that the sine of this angle theta is going to be 1 over root 10. Okay, which is, remember, this is like x and this is y, and then r equals root 10. So it's y over root 10, so 1 over root 10. And then when I rationalize that, I multiply by 1 in the form of root 10 over root 10, so I get square root of 10 over 10. And then the cosine of theta is 3 over root 10. So when I multiply that by root 10 over root 10, I get 3 root 10 over 10. And then the tangent of theta is 1 over 3, or I can divide this by this and I get the same thing, so it's positive 1 over 3. So the reciprocals, I'm looking at it this way because instead of taking the reciprocal of it in this form, when I take the reciprocal of it in that form, it's just square root of 10 over 1. And the reciprocal of this is square root of 10 over 3. And then the reciprocal of the tangent is a cotangent of 3. And that's it.